Hi friends, today I am going to show my monthly trade performance. As you know, the last 2 months were very hectic for traders. Nifty was range bound from 16,000 to 15,500 as there was no clear direction to take a trade. However, I was able to generate 5% on my investments and 10% on trading. As I previously described, my plan is to create a long-term portfolio on valued stocks and utilize that capital for my day-to-day trading. So, in the month of July, I extracted a 5 lakhs of pledging capital and used that for my trading, mostly on Nifty and Bank Nifty options. Let me show you through my broker's terminal. Since July, I switched all my brokers to ICICI Direct for swing trading and I use Interactive for my intraday. Let me go to ICICI Direct portal and log in. Let me show you the stocks that I have placed to generate trading capital for future and options. Let me click on future and options. Let me click on shares as margin. Let me click on placed security. These are the stocks that I have placed. I have added few more quantity of those script on later part of July and first week of August. For example, I doubled the quantity of ITC when it came to 200 and similarly the HDFC Life. This is the limit that I have got by pledging the script. These are the haircut percentage and these are the actual value of holding. For the month of July, the limit that I received by pledging the security was 5 lakhs and utilize these for option trading. Let me show you the profit and loss of the security that I hold. Then I will show you the profit and loss of option trading. First, let me go to the equity. Then let me click on portfolio. These are the scripts and these are the profit and loss. As I showed you, my major holding is on ITC, HDFC Life and UTI AMC. In ITC, my average holding price is 205 and the current price is 214. So, I am in the profit of 11,700. As ITC is a very stable equity, I am ready to add more if it comes down to 200 or below. The haircut value for ITC is also very less, around 15%, which means I will get more limit for trading. Also, history shows that ITC pays a very good dividend, which is around 5 to 7%, comparable to fixed deposit in banks. My next script is UTI AMC. My holding cost is 838 and the current market price is 1014. So I am in profit of 26,300. Another script that I placed is HDFC Life. My average holding cost is 684 and the current market price is 673. Therefore, I am in loss of 3,300 rupees. So overall, I am in gain of 24,800. Let me show you the profit and loss of my option trading for the month of July. Let me go to future and option. Let me click on my portfolio. Let me select both future and option. For that, let me select click all. I want to show you from July. In the position tab, I need to click close position. Then let me click on view. These are my trades and in total I made 48,478. So in total in the month of July I made around 25,000 on my cash holding and around 50k on future and option. Therefore, I generate around 15% of return on my capital. I'll update my profit and loss for the month of August in first week of September. If you want to learn my trading strategy, please join my Telegram channel given in the description. Thank you for watching. Here is Prakashini signing out until we meet again.